What's going on, guys? So I've already made one video on the animals, a little short, but I haven't shared it yet. I've uploaded it. I'm thinking I'm gonna record my wife's reaction to the new animals. I'm about 15 minutes down the road. Had to stop and get me an energy drink. I left the house at like 4:15 this morning. By the time I got gas, put lights on the trailer, got everything tied down and everything, it was about 5 or so. And it's about 5 o'clock right now. This was literally on the other side of the state from us. These animals were, but they were a pretty good deal. They wasn't some of this stuff that everybody has that nobody can get rid of or make any money on. So, and like I said, it was a pretty good deal. But I want to see them. I think I'm gonna record my wife's reaction to them, and I might try to get her riled up first. I haven't pulled anything, or I hadn't tried to pull anything slick in a long time. Let's see if I still got it. All right, I just turned in, and it's a little bit after 6 o'clock. So I have been driving for 12 hours today because it took about an hour to catch these animals and put them in my transport totes. So I'll just go ahead and tell you what the deal is. They are goats, but they know how to make pig sounds. Yeah. I thought I was losing my mind because, I was driving 6 hours. I had to stop, use the bathroom, get something to eat, get gas. So while I was doing these things, I kept hearing rah, 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 rah. Hang on just a minute. I'm having to cut across my property, so it's going to be a little rough. But this is the way I got to go in to unload them. But yeah, I kept hearing rah, 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 and I thought, what is that sound? And I finally walked by the tote, or one of the totes, and I heard them making the sound. And I thought, I've never heard a goat make that sound before. So I sit there and listened, and sure enough, they're making pig sounds. So maybe with it trying to sprinkle a little bit, our goats will be under the house, and I can let my wife listen to this and see what she thinks. Maybe I can get her a little bit stirred up before she hears it. That way it'll make it that much better. All right, get out of the way, chickens. Here we go. She's already outside. We're going to take some of these goats back. Why? Because they're defective. Yeah, they're defective.
Are you talking about they got horns?
No, they're defective.
What do you mean they're defective? What, is one pregnant or something?
I need to rename this place the Death Trap Auto Ranch. Car parts grow out of the ground here.
No, but you ain't got shoes on or nothing. Why are they defective?
I don't know. Somebody installed the wrong voice box or something.
Did they sound weird?
Stick your ear up there and listen. Stick your ear up there.
What? What the fuck? Why does it sound like a pig? Why do you sound like a piggy? You are fat.
All right, you ready to get them unloaded?
They are very fat. That Daisy's fat. Is she pregnant?
We'll talk to y'all later. We're gonna get them unloaded.